All right, so I have here a box of these multicolored mini pens, and each one of them has a fun thing at the top there. It's not an eraser, because these are just pens, but they're just made of plastic, but they do add a touch of fun to them. Some of them are stuck on there really, really well, and then some other ones of them do come off fairly easily, but they can just pop back on pretty easily as well, so just be aware that they might come off. I'm assuming that you could, if you wanted to, super glue them on so that they stay on there a little bit easier, but each of these pens is quite small. They are mini-sized after all. Let's just measure from the top of the pen part itself, because each of those top parts do add a different length to the pen. So just measuring the pen itself, it's 2 3/4 inches tall and 1/2 inch wide. And they do all have 4 colors on them. You have pink and blue and gray and green. That reminds me of these old pens that I used to have when I was a kid. We had these multicolor things where you can click it down and then color in a different color. And then you kind of push one of the other colors to trigger that first color back off. Just push that down a little bit. So really, really fun. I want to show off some of the tops of them. You have a dinosaur here on this one, and the bottom sometimes matches that color scheme of whatever's on top. So you got fun dinosaur, kind of a yellow pumpkin with arms and yellow there. Sandwich. And some of the colors are different. So there's that blue is darker on this other one, gray is darker, green is darker, pink is darker, and some of the colors are the same. So actually, even those pinks are a little bit different too. Be interested to see how they write here in a second. So I looked at that one. This one is a cola. I'm not going to go through all these, but you do have various icons there at the top that are quite fun. This one has a dangly piece. Cat with a fish. So yeah, lots of fun. These are super cute. Any kid would love to use these and have a good time with them. So I'm going to get out a piece of paper here and show you how they write as well. Like I said, I'm interested to see if there's any differences in the colors. So here's kind of a light blue, and it's just actually just colors dark blue. So I think probably even if there's variation in the clicky color, it might just all contain the same 4 colors. So that gray actually is black on paper. And green is green. So that's one with kind of the pastel looking ones. And I'm going to choose one now that has the darker colors there and see if they actually match. And I think they do. So the blue is blue, red is still red. This one's kind of gets in the way a little bit of that one, but the gray is still black, and the green is still green. Although, actually, that green did look a little bit different than the other green. This is more of a slightly teal color, as opposed to that one being kind of a dark green. So, looks like the inks sometimes are different, but that's okay. You're getting more of this for the fun designs, the fun tops, the cute little size, than for the consistency of the ink between the pens, I think. So yeah, I think these are lots and lots of fun. You have lots of good designs, lots of fun cartoons at the top of the things, and you get the 4 colors. 4 colors per pen. So yeah, if you're looking for some fun pens to give out, or even just for yourself or for your kids, I think this is a great mix of pens. Multicolors for each one. Lots of fun. I said I wouldn't go through every single one, but I ended up doing so. Like that ice cream. Lots of fun. Hope that helps. Know if it's something that you would like to buy.